In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a team, organizing personal projects, or streamlining your workflow, ClickUp is a fantastic platform for keeping everything in one place. Spaces in ClickUp act as high-level containers for organizing your work into categories that make sense for you and your team. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a new space, customize it, and get started with your personalized setup. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once there, log into your ClickUp account using your preferred method, whether that's your email, your Google account, or any other supported option. If additional security prompts appear, such as two-factor authentication, go ahead and complete those steps to ensure your account remains secure. After logging in, you should land on your ClickUp homepage. Take a moment to verify that you're in the right place. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll see all your spaces and key navigation tools. If you have multiple workspaces associated with your account, make sure you're in the correct one. You can switch workspaces by using the workspace switcher located near the top of the sidebar. Once you're in the right workspace, look for the New Space button. This is represented by a plus icon and is located underneath the list of spaces in the sidebar. Click on this button to get started with creating your new space. A setup window titled Create a Space will appear. Here, you can begin customizing your space. Start by selecting an icon that represents the space visually. Then give your space a clear and descriptive name. For example, if this space is meant for managing marketing projects, you might name it Marketing Team or something similar that makes its purpose immediately clear. If you'd like, you can also add a short description. This is optional, but it can be helpful for providing context or guidelines to your team members who will use the space. For example, you might include a quick note like, "For all marketing campaigns and social media planning." Before finalizing, take a moment to review the default permission settings for your space. These settings determine who can access and edit the space. Adjust them as needed to suit your team's requirements. If you'd like to keep the space private and accessible only to specific individuals, make sure to select the private option. Otherwise, you can leave it open for broader collaboration. Once everything looks good, click Continue to Create to finalize the setup of your new space. After a moment, your new space should appear in the left sidebar alongside your other spaces. Take a quick look to confirm that it's there. From here, you can begin customizing the space further. Add folders to organize your projects, create lists to structure your tasks, and invite teammates to collaborate. This is where the magic of ClickUp really comes to life, allowing you to tailor your workspace to fit your unique needs. If you don't see the New Space button or encounter any issues along the way, it's possible that you don't have the necessary permissions to create spaces. In this case, reach out to an admin within your organization for assistance. If you're new to ClickUp, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started with your own account. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create a space in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.